Welcome to Casa Metta, where you can experience a true Baja lifestyle. I am Araceli Vargas, a certificate real estate advisor with Banque Riveras. Let's take a tour of this prime beachfront property. Casa Metta offers a heaven of peace and harmony. This Mexican-style house blends beautifully with the sea and garden, inviting you to live without the hustle of a tourism destination. This property is located at Rancho Pescadero, only 20 minutes driving north of Los Barriles. Again, my name is Araceli Vargas. If you would like to take a tour or more information, contact me now.